Humidity is on the rise. It's going to eventually bring us some storm chances. A low-end threat today. It'll be better for our western counties, and then as we go into Thursday and Friday, expect some storms to be around. The high of 84 yesterday. It was a nice day with a relatively low humidity. If you were out in the sun for a long period of time, though, it did still feel warm outside. Low to mid 80s for highs with some mid to upper 70s across our western counties. We're actually a few degrees cooler than average. We dropped to 61 for our morning low yesterday. Those numbers are up a bit so far with some low to mid 60s over the area, Winston-Salem to Greensboro. Still in the 50s in Burlington, in Reedsville, Mount Airy and North Wilkesboro this morning. So certainly some comfortable air in place. When you look at the dew points, again, the 12-hour dew point change, you can see it's coming up. Higher the number gets, the more humid it feels. And you can see the change is in an upward motion for the next few days. Relatively cloud-free. We're going to start the day very nice and very sunny. Look at the satellite radar. Things are pretty clear out and about. Looking south, we have some storms near the coast. This is not tropical in nature, but look at the lightning. Man, off the coast of Jacksonville. Muggy air is down north south. It got squeezed that way from this front, but it's going to start to give us a little pushback here in the days to come and bring some steamy conditions and replace our less humid air with more humid conditions. Also got a couple of fronts diving southward, and that's going to help trigger some showers and storms. Once we kind of get into that pattern on Thursday, they will be pretty numerous Thursday, Friday, and possibly even into Saturday as well. So go to the hour by hour, a few pop-up showers possible a little bit later on in the day today. Notice that coverage is not expected to be very high. At that point, our temperatures will fall from the 80s to the 70s. Quiet start to your Thursday, close to 70 in the morning, but as we go into the afternoon, a few more showers and storms will start to flare up, beginning in the western counties primarily, maybe a stray across the Triad, and then they start to ease into the area. Thursday at 9, this model has rain around. I'll explain why I'm stopping here in a moment, but notice the extra clouds that we'll have in place as well. That continues through midnight on Friday and then possibly into the overnight hours. I'm not convinced we're going to have rain for that long, but the cloud cover will likely be heavy, and the best we can hope for are some breaks in the clouds. I bring this up because we have a lunar eclipse tomorrow night. It actually starts around 9:30, 9:24 when the moon starts to move into the Earth's outer shadow. The moon dims for a while. The big show starts around 10:30 when the moon begins to disappear in the main Earth's shadow called the umbra. 11:15 the moon will be half gone, and at 12:13 Friday morning it's expected to peak. Less than 4% of the moon will be visible. A little bit of sliver of light is all that we're expecting to see, and then the moon will start to move out of its shadow over time. Forecast, I'm not overly optimistic. Still though, you're trying to find the moon in the sky, and breaks in the clouds will allow you to do that, especially when part of the moon is illuminated. Also looking into Friday, some of the storms in the forecast could be strong to severe. So we have a lot of moisture in the air at that point, and we could see some strong wind gusts as a result. Our temperatures stay in the 80s for a while. Should be a nice weekend, especially Sunday, and the heat starts to creep back in Monday and Tuesday of next week.